Meet little Tommy, a curious kid with big dreams and an even bigger imagination. Every day Tommy wonders about the world around him, but lately he has noticed something different. Bills, stress, worry. Tommy quietly asks himself, why does money make everybody worried? The next day, Tommy walks through town noticing signs everywhere. Credit cards, loans, minimum payments. People rush past him looking stressed and overwhelmed. Tommy watches quietly, trying to understand. Then suddenly, a strange dollar sign leaf drifts across the sidewalk. Tommy stares at it in confusion. Where did that come from? Later that evening, Tommy discovers something glowing in a nearby alley, a mysterious golden coin. As Tommy touches the coin, it begins to glow brighter and brighter. The ground beneath him starts to shake. A magical doorway opens before him, a doorway to another world. Balance world. Tommy steps carefully into the strange new place. Everything feels alive. Trees grow dollar sign leaves, savings buildings glow brightly, and strange financial creatures move through the streets. Then Tommy notices someone watching him, a strange little creature with balance scales for hands. The creature slowly approaches Tommy, friendly, calm, curious. You finally made it, the creature says softly. Tommy blinks in confusion. My name is Balance on Hand, but you can call me BOH. Tommy looks around nervously. What is this place? BOH smiles gently. This is Balance World, a place where every financial choice matters. BOH explains how Balance World works. Earn, spend, save. These three things keep everything standing. Tommy looks around carefully as glowing buildings pulse with energy. But when balance is lost, problems begin to grow. Tommy watches two sides of Balance World. On one side, savings grow, dreams grow, opportunities grow. But on the other side, debt spreads like dark vines, stress clouds the sky, and the streets begin to crack. Tommy whispers, "What happened here?" Suddenly, BOH's scale, hands begin tilting wildly. Warning lights glow across Balance World. BOH looks worried. Something is wrong. Wind begins swirling through the city. Tommy slowly turns toward the dark side of Balance World. Lightning flashes. A shadowy figure steps forward through the fog. Its glowing eyes stare directly at Tommy. The air becomes heavy. Bo quietly says, "No, it can't be." The creature grins. "Pay me the minimum, and I'll keep growing." Tommy takes a deep breath. He's nervous, but determined. BOH steps beside Tommy. We have to restore the balance. The storm grows stronger, and together, their adventure truly begins. Meet little Tommy, a curious kid with big dreams and an even bigger imagination.